Hello kids, we are learning spices name. Now let's start. Green cardamom, green cardamom. Black cardamom, black cardamom. Caraway seeds, caraway seeds. Cumin seeds, cumin seeds. Bay leaf, bay leaf. Black pepper, black pepper. Clove, clove. Star anise, star anise. Nutmeg, nutmeg. Coriander seeds, coriander seeds. Fennel seeds, fennel seeds. Cinnamon stick, cinnamon stick. Mace, mace. Red chili, red chili. Paprika, paprika. Salt, salt. Rock salt, rock salt. Black salt, black salt. Chili flakes, chili flakes. Dry mango powder, dry mango powder. Carom seeds, carom seeds. Mustard seeds, mustard seeds. Poppy seeds, poppy seeds. Fenugreek seeds. Nigella seeds, nigella seeds. Turmeric, turmeric. Dry ginger, dry ginger. Asafoetida, asafoetida. Basil seeds, basil seeds. Oregano, oregano. Curry leaf, curry leaves. Dry fenugreek leaves. White pepper, white pepper. Cubic pepper, cubic pepper. Tamarind, tamarind. Rosemary, rosemary. Flax seeds, flax seeds. Long pepper, long pepper. Licorice, licorice. Gallnut, gallnut. Alum, alum. Dry marrowbone, dry marrowbone. Baking powder, baking powder. Baking soda, baking soda. Yeast, yeast. Dill seeds, dill seeds. Dry gooseberry, dry gooseberry. Mint, mint. Hot spices mix, hot spices mix. Betelnut, betelnut. Fragrant pepper, fragrant pepper.